फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैलबे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
हेलो, मेरा नाम दीपा दिगारी है। मैं क्लास 8th के स्टूडेंट निर्मल दिगारी की मदर हूँ। मेरे बच्चे ने आँखों पर पट्टी बांधकर 100 परिभाषाएं सुनाकर कोर्ट में अपना नाम दर्ज कराया है। थैंक यू।
Nirmal Digari, I read in class 8th. Today I am going to recite 100 definitions with serial numbers. 1. Nutrients, component in food that we need to grow and survive. 2. Autotroph, plant which prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. 3. Heterotroph, plant which cannot prepare their own food, they use food synthesized by other plant and animals. 4. Stomata, tiny pouches on the surface of leaves which help in exchange of gases. 5. Photosynthesis, process by which plants use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to create oxygen energy in the form of sugar. 7. Parasitic plant, plants that trap and digest insects to obtain their required nutrients. 8. Insectivorous plant, plants that derive some or all of its nutritional requirement from another living plant. 9. Saprotrophs, the microorganisms that feed on dead or decaying plant animals. 10. Fungi, heterotrophic microorganisms such as yeast molds and mushrooms. 11. Digestion, the breakdown of complex component of food is called digestion. 12. Injection, the process of taking of food into the body is called injection. 13. Tooth decay, the acids gradually damage the teeth. 14. Absorption, the process in which digested food pass into blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. 15. Villi, small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowth. These are called villis. 16. Assimilation, the movement of digested food molecules into the cells where they are used. 17. Egestion, the process in which facial matter is removed through the anus from time to time. 18. Rumen, the part of stomach where animals store quick solid grass. 19. Rumination, the process of chewing the cud. 20. Conduction, the process in which heat is transferred from the hotter end to the colder end of an object. 21. Conductor, the materials which allows heat to pass through them, such as iron, copper. 22. Insulator, the materials which does not allows heat to pass through them, such as plastic and wood. 23. Base, substance which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching. 24. Acids, substance which are sour in taste. 25. Indicator, special type of turmeric, litmus, china rose, which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. 26. Neutralization, the reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water. 27. Chemical change, a change in which a new substance is formed. 28. Physical change, a change in which no new substance is formed. 29. Galvanization, the deposition of zinc on iron. 30. Crystallization, the process of solid crystal from solution by deposition directly from a gas phase. 31. Mass media, a mean of communication that reaches a large number of people, such as newspaper, magazine, TV, radio, etc. 32. Prejudice, when someone forms an idea about someone else without actually knowing anything about them. 33. Stereotype, 33. Stereotype, 33. Stereotype. An often unfair and untrue belief that many people have about all think and person with particular characteristic like their gender, race. 34 discrimination. If someone is treated badly because of their gender, race, religion, disabilities, or for being just different. 35 castes. The section into which Hindu people of India were divided according to Manusmriti. 36 Dalit. The word means broken or scattered in Sanskrit. It is a term used for certain oppressed castes in India. 37 Secular. It is a system in which people are free to practice the religion of their choice. The state does not play any role in it. 38 cellular respiration. The process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy. 39 aerobic respiration. The process of broken of glucose into carbon dioxide and water in the presence of oxygen. 40 anaerobic respiration. The process of broken of glucose into alcohol and carbon dioxide in the absence of oxygen. 41 inhalation. The taking in of air rich in carbon dioxide. 42 exhalation. The giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide. 43 breathing rate. The number of time a person can breathe in a minute. 44 trachea. Insects have a network of air tubes called trachea for gas exchanges. 45 blood. Blood is a fluid which flows in blood vessels. 46 plasma. Blood is composed as a fluid in which different type of cells are suspended. 47 hemoglobin. One type of cell are red blood cells which contain a red pigment. 48 platelets. Tiny blood cells that help your body from cold to stop blooding. 49 pulse rate. The number of beat per minute. 50 excretion. The process of removal of waste product in the cell of the living organism. 51 xylem. The vascular tissues for the transport of water and nutrients in the plant. 52 phloem. The vascular tissues for the transport of food in the plant. 53 transpiration. The process in which excess water removed from the photosynthesis from the stomata present in the surface of leaves. 54 evaporation. The process in which liquid water changes into gaseous water. 55 reproduction. The production of new individual from their parents. 56 stamens. The male reproductive part of flower. 57 pistils. The female reproductive part of flower. 58 unisexual flowers. Flowers which contain either only pistil or only stamens. 59 bisexual flowers. Flowers which contain both pistil or stamens. 60 pollination. The transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma of a flower. 61 cross pollination. When the pollen land to the stigma of a flower of a different plant of the same kind. 62 fertilization. The process of fusion of male and female gametes. 63 speed. Object moving n distance cover 63 speed. A distance covered by an object in a unit time. 64 uniform motion. A object moving along a straight line with constant speed. 65 non-uniform motion. A object moving along a straight line with different speed. 66 force. Push or pull applied of an object. 66 physical quantity. Any quantity that can be measured. 67 floating motion. A motion that represents itself after equal interval of time. 68 physical quantity, any quantity that can be measured. 69 opaque materials, the materials which that does not allow the light to pass through them. 70 transparent materials, the materials which allow the light to pass through them. 71 decomposers, the microorganisms that convert that plant and animal into humus. 72 humus, dark organic matter that forms in a soil when plant and animal matter decays. 73 sewage. Sewage is waste water released by homes, industries and offices and other users. 74 sewage treatment, wastewater treatment. 75 foreigner, someone who was not a part of that society or culture. 76 archives, a place where stored secret documents and manuscript. 77 gender distinction, social and biologically different between man and woman. 78 birthright, privileges claimed on account of birth. 79 lithosphere, the solid portion of the earth on which we live. 80 patron, an influencer, wealthy individual who supports another person. 81 atmosphere, the gaseous layers that surrounds the earth. 82 hydrosphere, the total amount of water on the planet. 73 biosphere, the narrow zone where we find land, water and air together. Land, air, water, they contain several lives. 84 biotic component, the world of living organism, example plant and animals. 85 abiotic component, the world of non-living element, example land. 86 ecosystem, 86 ecosystem, the interaction between all living organisms with each other. 87 crust, an uppermost layer of the earth's surface. 88 rock, any natural mass or mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust. 89 igneous rock, formed from the cooling and solidification of molten rocks. 90 sedimentary rocks, that are formed from the particles of sediment. 91 metamorphic rocks, igneous and sedimentary rocks that get formed under great heat and pressure. 92 rock cycle, the transformation of the rocks from one to another. 93 endogenic force, the force which acts in the interior of the earth. 94 seasonal wind, these winds change their direction in different seasons. 95 local wind, these blow during a particular period of the day or year in a small area. 86 permanent wind, these blows westerlize and easterlize, blow throughout the year in a small area. 97 equatorial region, the region lies very close to equator, 10 degree north and 10 degree south. 98 tributaries, small river that join the main river. 99 light, a form of energy that moves in straight line. 100 crystal, a certain type of solid substance.